Hi, Marco from Grazie here. Today we're going to make a chocolate monkey milkshake. So we sell kits that come with vanilla gelato, liqueur, so that's 2 ounces of Khalua and an ounce of banana liqueur, and peanut butter and chocolate sauce. The only thing you need to add is milk. So you can add regular milk, or you can add oat milk or almond milk, whatever you prefer. So we're going to start putting everything in the blender. Don't blend it too much, just to your desired thickness. So what you do is you use the chocolate sauce to rim the glass. Just let that sit. And there you have it, our chocolate monkey milkshake kit that you can buy at Grazie restaurant. How is it, Lucas?
Great.